Hey guys, Jamar here, and today I'm going to be making a new character on Ponytown. So yeah, let's get right into it. Guys, comment down below if I should add wings to him, but not now, because, you know. Guys, I don't know which hair to pick. I meant hairdo to pick.
You mean hairstyle?
Yeah, that was my sister, by the way, guys. Guys, I'm going to do his hair blue because it kind of matches the white skin color. Guys, the bottom color is kind of cyan, which I really like. Guys, I do kind of want to match the tail, but I can't find any matching one except for this one, but that's kind of copying another pony of mine, so yeah. I'll choose this tail. Guys, comment down below if he should be chill or either sad or happy. But for now, I'll leave him happy. guys, comments down below what his name should be. But for now, I'll name him... Wait a sec, guys. I need to think of... Guys, I think for now I'm gonna name him Chili Moon. Here we go. So guys, comments down below what you think of my character. And see you in the next one. Bye guys!